To show Wi-Fi data usage in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings icon. On Windows Settings, select Network and Internet, and then on Status, Network Status, select Change Connection Properties, and then scroll down, click or tap Set a data limit to help control data usage on this network. You can see our data usage overview on Wi-Fi and Ethernet. To detail, select a network you want, for example Wi-Fi. You can also change, so usage from Wi-Fi or network internet, all Wi-Fi you use. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.